Machnamh meditation. Maris áit dréachta é seo. It's a magic place here. You can see an teach and sin teach my tuis mahori agus. It's the house of my parents. So the mantra, and I say mantra, not mantra, because I'm tuning into my feminine energy now. The energy of nature, the energy of the tree, the energy of the Shioga, and the she, you know, goddess Uru, and Mohishmori, my parents who've passed over, all that feminine energy of the land, of the ancestors. So the mantra is, I'm grian. I'm grian, taken from Emergent Song, which was believed to be uttered by Emergent on the hill of Ishnach, you know, millennia ago. And I'll definitely be using some of these beautiful ancient words within the scale, but I also use them within the meditation. I'm grian. Grian is sun. We still use that word today, even though it's ancient Irish. Grian, green, grian. And it was law grian today. Being green ag Machnamh. The sun was shining today, definitely, I think, in England and Ireland. So grian means I am the dewdrop of sun. I'm grian.